It doesn't get much simpler than this, but somehow the results are still as charming as can be. Just draw yourself as a stick person, then keep outlining your shape with bright rings of color until the whole page is filled. It's easy, colorful, and a project that artists of just about any age can enjoy. Before we begin, here's a note for your recommended supplies. Do use watercolor paper, it makes a big difference. And if you can, this educational set of paints from Crayola. The colors are super bright and it helps to have a lot to choose from too. Also, that thick black marker needs to be permanent so it doesn't bleed when it gets wet. Okay, now even though you probably already know how to draw a stick person, let's just draw one together. And we'll begin with a circle for the head. Then just 2 dots for the eyes and a smile for the mouth. Add 2 ears. And then draw your hair, either as spikes like I'm doing here, or as a simple shape like the example on the left. The neck can be just a short vertical line and the shoulders a horizontal one. Now you can turn that line into a shape that is a shirt or make it longer for a dress. Then come 2 very simple stick arms with 5 stick fingers on the ends. If you did draw a shirt, you need to add either some shorts or pants or skirt. Feel free to get creative, just keep it very simple. Let's finish off with just a couple of stick legs and circle feet. Now we're ready to trace because this is meant to be a very, very simple drawing. So get out that permanent black marker and go over all of those pencil lines. Slowly to find the fattest part of that marker tip so your lines can be as bold as possible. Okay, now it's time to bring out those watercolors and start to paint. I recommend starting with the yellow first while your brush is still clean. Soften the tablet with water and slowly add a yellow edge around your stick figure. We want some color on both sides of those lines, so keep going and going back to get more yellow to keep that color as bright as can be. When you get to the fingers, just paint over all of them, and if you have spiky hair, do the same thing there too. I'm going to go in a kind of rainbow order, so that means orange comes next. And you know what? Here's where I realized I didn't finish my yellow hand like I did on the other side. Oh well, it's easy to fix. So I'm going to wash my brush and make a quick fix here before I continue. Do try to work slowly. It's totally fine to bump into that yellow line, or not. I've seen some students leave space between each color, and that's very pretty too. I'm going to continue with my orange outline so you can watch me do it, going all around the body. You could keep this orange line the same width as the yellow one, or make it wider. It's all up to you. If you liked the color order in my sample, then red comes next. But there are no rules here. You could also just pick a couple of your favorite colors and repeat them over and over too. All right, so that red outline is done, and I'm going to switch over now to a color that I call violet. It's kind of like a light purple. After the violet is done, I'm going to switch over to the darker purple color. Don't worry if your lines start to go off the paper at any point. Just keep going where you do have room to add them. Now that my purple is done, I'm going to add a light blue ring, and your lines may be getting kind of short now. That's just fine. Finally, I just have 4 small corners left, so I'm going to fill them up with that pretty yellow-green. Remember, the goal here is to just paint and paint until you have that entire background filled with color. And that is pretty much the world's simplest drawing combined with the simplest kind of painting project, and yet the results can still be really striking. It's a good reminder that art doesn't have to be complicated to be interesting, colorful, and really fun to look at. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more simple drawing projects, including how to draw a fish in a fishbowl, how to draw Peppa Pig, and how to draw a chameleon. I hope you check those out too.